In this video, I will show you how to turn off first view on TikTok. So the step are so simple to follow. After you open up your TikTok app like this, all you have to do now, tap on this profile at the bottom right side. After you open up your profile like this, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you tap on this three line, all you have to do now, go to settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, all you have to do now, go to this privacy second option. After you open your privacy, all you have to do now, scroll all the way to down and tap on this section, as you can see now here where it says post view. So tap on it. So now to turn off the post view, all you have to do now, tap on this turn it off now. So now I have turned up my first view on TikTok. So now if I view someone TikTok video, he can't be able to see my profile that I view his TikTok videos. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.